saying record?
It's red.
Okay, it's recording. I'll edit it later. I'll just get everything on here and I can shut it down later. What I don't like.
You filming?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going now. I'll send you some pictures.
All right.
Give me the
start
eggs.
here.
I'm gonna try to.
You know, I'm not always going to be here to do this for you.
I know it.
You're sitting there. Give me those eggs.
Yeah, give me
a cup of coffee.
Yeah, bring me a cup of coffee.
Give me a biscuit.
Yeah. Yeah, a biscuit. Sounds good.
That's why you stay on the power long enough, even ride it in a bit so it goes behind you. You know what I mean?
I let the wing get out in front of me.
Yeah,
It
you
should have
did,
been behind me.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So you can ride the power all the way in.
I can.
You know, so that you know the wing's going to end up behind you if you stay on the power.
Right.
Usually what I do is I ride it until the wing starts to drop off behind me.
Right.
Then I kill it.
Okay.
You know, then I know that the wing